what B1, B2 English really means. Reaching B1 or B2 in English is an important moment. You are no longer just learning words. You are learning how to live inside the language. At this level, English starts to feel familiar. You can understand the main idea of conversations, videos, and texts, even if you don't catch every word. You can express opinions, explain experiences, and talk about plans with more confidence. This is when English becomes useful in real life. At B1, you can handle everyday situations. You can talk about your routine, your work, your interests, and your past experiences. You can ask for information, give simple explanations, and understand clear, standard English spoken at a normal speed. You may still hesitate. You may search for words. That is normal. B1 is about communication, not perfection. B2 is where things begin to flow more naturally. You can follow longer conversations and understand different points of view. You can read articles, watch series, and listen to podcasts with much less effort than before. At B2, you can explain your ideas in detail. You can agree, disagree, and justify your opinions. You can talk about abstract topics, not only daily life. English becomes a tool, not a challenge. At both B1 and B2, one important skill is learning to be comfortable with uncertainty. You will not understand everything, and you don't need to. Understanding the message is more important than understanding every word. This is also the stage where listening matters the most. The more you listen, the more natural English starts to sound. Grammar becomes something you feel, not something you translate. Making mistakes is part of the process. At B1, B2, mistakes mean you are using the language, not avoiding it. Progress at this level is not fast, but it is deep. Small improvements add up. One day, you realize you are thinking in English without noticing. That is the real goal of B1, B2. Not to sound perfect, but to feel comfortable, confident, and connected.